Hello everyone, Liang size silicone matters. Today I want to introduce you this batch of equipment is about to be shipped. Here are these dispensing machines. We have added a baking-free function. It is the UV device. There is a multi-purpose socket here, which can be connected to the device over there. Their two accessories are the UV lamp devices. The feature of this function is that when dispensing a small amount or multiple layers of products, you don't need to take them to the oven to bake, but dry them directly here, which saves time and labor and increases production capacity. After the first baking, the last base material is directly dispensed. This time the material is usually more, soon it will be taken to the oven to dry. This is its advantage. This machine here we made an extra clamp. The function is to fix the mold to make it more stable and also make it easier to take out the mold. So in the process of using, our machine is very convenient. In this accessories is made of finely processed and polished steel metal. There are also a silicone pad here to make it recoil left and right, thereby protecting the mold from deformation. Today these 16 colors dispensing machine will be shipped. They are suitable for making silicone or PVC 3D dolls, toys, clippers, stationery, exquisite small ornaments. Also clothing labels, zipper hats, shoe accessories. The new machinery tool is the original factory that produces machines and equipment, with quality assurance and lifelong technical guidance service. We are also constantly upgrading and optimizing to be more intelligent. We make customized silicone and PVC machines according to customer needs, and try our best to solve problems in the production process for customers.